5 kid step stools, and the one I'd actually buy comes last. The common mistake is buying for one sink, then fighting it every day. Choose format first, confirm fit details before checkout. Number 5. HandyLaundry Step Stool. Need the stool to disappear between uses? I'd choose HandyLaundry only when folding is your main household rule. Its foldable roll suits a tight routine, where permanent floor clutter gets old fast. But that puts storage format ahead of broad, everyday versatility. I can't judge its open footprint, folded footprint, capacity, or cleaning needs from what's here. Skip it if folding isn't important, or you need those details settled before buying. Number 4. Simplay3 Sibling Step Stool. Have 2 kids circling the same sink? I'd put Simplay3 on the list only for a family specifically shopping for a sibling-focused option. That role is its reason for being, especially when one-child gear feels too narrow. But it is a specialized choice, not an automatic replacement for a standard stool. I can't tell you its user limits, dimensions, or how it accommodates more than one child. Skip it if room fit and those details need confirmation first. Number 3. Bumbo Step Stool. This is the budget-minded option, but I'd keep the decision simple. I'd consider Bumbo when stretching the baby gear budget matters more than chasing a particular material or format. Its value-oriented role gives it a place for a straightforward, lower-priority purchase. But value alone doesn't tell you how it fits your room, holds up, or cleans. Skip it if your decision depends on confirmed dimensions, materials, capacity, or care instructions. Number 2. Wood City Step Stool. Want wood because it belongs with the rest of your room? I'd choose Wood City when that material preference is the real deciding factor. Its Wood-stool roll makes it the direct match for parents who don't want a generic-looking option. But a wood preference is narrower than a general-purpose recommendation. I can't use it to compare cleaning needs, construction details, or room fit. Skip it if you need those answers before committing to a wood stool. Number 1. iLove Step Stool. Here's the broadest starting point for most parents. I'd start with iLove when you want a general kid step stool, not a folding, sibling, or wood-specific choice. Its overall role makes it the best first stop for a normal daily sink routine. That matters because specialized formats can solve a problem you don't actually have. But overall doesn't answer your exact setup questions. Skip it if dimensions, weight limits, materials, or recall status must be confirmed before you buy. Start with iLove for the broad choice. Pick HandyLaundry for folding, Simplay3 for the sibling-focused route, Bumbo for value, or Wood City when wood is the priority. Before buying, confirm room fit, user limits, materials, cleaning needs, and recall status. Keep adult supervision part of the routine. Prices and availability change, so check before you buy. I'd start with iLove for the general-purpose choice. Switch to HandyLaundry if folding drives your routine, or Wood City if wood matters most. Links are in the description,